It's finally time to find out what's in the box. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the content, and to all my old followers, welcome back.
Yes! Sick. I don't think I'm going to have any room for the second one. Keeping these mats clean is probably going to be a nightmare. Oh, damn, man. This is so much more effort than it's probably worth. It's going to look good, though. 2 bikes pretty much fit on one of these mats. Let me know in the comments below if 2 mats was necessary. What do we think? Stage 6 everywhere. All right, so in today's video, we're going to be fixing this issue right here. Yeah, that sucks. It's an absolute nightmare. Look at it, so clunky. And because it's seizing, it's eating away at my shoe. We're going to fix this for real this time. I've got all the right parts. Let's get into it. Wow, that came out way easier than I thought it would. I thought we was gonna have to like get a saw in between it and just saw through it. But that came out super easy, and now we just need to get the new one in. Okay, so I'm gonna heat the case in a little bit just to try and hopefully get this hole to expand. The new sleeve is in the freezer right now. It's been in the freezer for about 12 hours. Put a little bit of oil on it and hopefully it'll slide right in. All right, so this bush has been in the freezer for 12 hours more or less. Shout out to Lewis Smith for recommending this piece in particular, because I would have replaced all the parts and not even realized that this was something I should be replacing. So definitely thanks for putting that on my radar. Let's try and get it in there. A little bit of oil should go a long way, hopefully. Okay, it seems like it's lined up. Now let's try and tap it in. This has gone a lot easier than I thought it was gonna go. Damn, that was so much easier than I thought it was gonna be. I'd say that's perfect, so I'm happy with that. That was really easy. I thought that was gonna take hours. So now we've got to try and get the new spring and kicker gear and stuff all in place, which shouldn't be too hard. Just to be on the safe side, I bought a few extra of these spacer washers and circlips. And we've got a brand new spring and a brand new kicker gear right here. So let's get them in. Ooh, looks nice. Is it correct though? It's definitely different. Wait, what? The teeth are facing the wrong way. This was for this bike. Why are the teeth facing the wrong way? So it sits like that and the teeth are at the top. Well, that's not going to work. Seriously, what the hell? It'd be nice if, you know, I ordered parts and the right things were delivered to me. Okay, so we're not using that. We're going to use the original kicker gear mechanism right here. That is a pain in the ass. I don't think I paid a lot for it, but that's not the point. This seems to keep happening to me for some reason.
So it only cost me around £8, but I've sent some pictures to Ped Parts just to try and explain to them what's happened, and they said that out of everything on the shelf, I happened to get one that was welded incorrectly, and they're going to send me a refund without sending the part back.
Got some red rubber grease right here. It's good stuff. I use it on my brake system when I'm putting brakes together. We're going to apply it on this shaft right here when we put it into this sleeve. Here's the new spring. Let's go ahead and get that in place. Oh, it's nice to have these mats to sit on and work on now. That should do. Start to turn this around, gives a lot of leverage. This seems so much easier than last time. That's crazy. Perfect. Get the screwdriver in there. Oh, that's it. That is it. I can see it. Yes! Perfect. So now release. What just happened? Oh, you're joking me, man. That was perfect. Never mind. Let's go again. Chase it with this. Apply downwards pressure. If I hold that down and release these, it shouldn't be able to ping out, should it? Oh, there we go. The spring's new, the sleeve's new, kicker mechanism, the spring's new, the sleeve's new, but the kicker mechanism's old. I'm hoping it was just the sleeve that was the main cause of the problem here. I would have replaced the kicker mechanism, but as you know, we got the wrong one. So I've ordered more washers than needed, so that way I can use more than one if I need to. Right, let's rotate her over. drop one of these on. Yeah, I'm gonna run at least 2 of these, I think. That looks pretty good to me, as long as the circlip can actually still get on there. Let's give it a try and see. See how it looks like everything's properly seated? Well, watch this. I'm gonna move the spring out of the way a little bit, push that down a bit further and watch that gap now, look at the size of that gap. So let's see if we can get that down a little bit closer. All right, we've got it. So this is now very well seated. Spring is not lifted up. I don't think it can anymore. Now got this extra little lip right here for an extra circlip. For some reason, I don't really know why. We've got 2 washers there and the circlip all the way down, seated super tight. Can't see this going wrong now, so this could be the permanent fix that we've been looking for. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, I think this is it. I think we've done it. There is a gap now between circlip and the kicker mechanism, if you can see that. Can I take that gap up? I wonder. Where are these washers that we've got? Let's throw some of these on top. I don't see why not. 2 of those. Could even get this other circlip on. Is it overkill? Yes. Does it work? Yes. So why don't they advertise it like this? What? They sell you 1 circlip and 1 washer. I'm using 4 washers and 2 circlips to take up that gap. That fits perfectly. Okay, so my recommendations, guys, on how to fix your kicker mechanism permanently. 4 little washers, 2 circlips. You can see them in there, hopefully. But that right there is perfect. All right, I ordered just the right amount of things by purely just over purchasing as usual to make sure I've definitely got as much as what I need. And we're done. I just need to clean it because it looks horrendous. All right, time for the test start. No choke. If it needs choke in this heat, I need to mess with the carb tuning for sure. But can it be done in the lobster slides? Let's find out. Oh man, that's still killing my foot, but looks like we might need a little bit of choke. Gotta mess with the tuning. I think we need a bigger pilot jet. There we go. And that's the choke off. Yeah, kicker mechanism works nicely. Jesus. Jesus. That's how you fix your kicker mechanism for good, hopefully. I think that's going to be it now. I really hope so. If you enjoyed the content, hit that like button, leave a comment below, let me know if this has helped you with your scooter problems, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, see you in the next one.
Yeah, put the team on my back. Never fold, never crack. The wolf always roll with a pack. Now tell me how you like that.